Diagram shows the curve and its maximum point in M. Find the exact coordinates of M. So since it's maximum, then you need to get the first derivative and equal it to 0. So our plan is to take the y prime equal to 0. So let's take this one using the product rule. So the derivative of x plus 5 is 1 times the square root of 3 minus 2x plus copy your x plus 5 times the derivative of 3 minus 2x is 1 half times 3 minus 2x to the negative 1 half times the negative of 2, the derivative of inside using chain rule. So therefore make it equal to 0. Let us simplify first this one. This is going to be equal to square root of 3 minus 2x, cancel, minus x plus 5 all over 3 minus 2x square root, and that is equal to 0. So this is now by using the LCM. So you take the LCM, which is equal to square root of 3 minus 2x. So this one will become 3 minus 2x minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then what you're going to do, simplify this 3 minus 2x minus x minus 5 equals 0. So this is negative 3x minus 2. Yes, negative 3x minus 2 equals 0. So negative 3x equals 2. X is equal to negative 2 over 3. So meaning this point is negative 2 over 3. And then you need to find the y value. So let's get the y because it's asking for the exact coordinates. So the y is equal to x plus 5 times square root of 3 minus 2x. So you have there negative 2 over 3 plus 5 square root of 3 minus 2 times negative 2 over 3. So negative 2 over 3 plus 5 is equal to negative, so positive 13. Positive 13 over 3, then this is equal to square root of 3 plus what, 4/3, which gives you equal to 13 over 3 times square root of 13 over 3. So this is the coordinates of this one. 13 over 3 square root of 13 over 3. Next, so we need to look for the area under the curve, right? So we need first to find the boundary. So therefore make this equal to 0 because we are looking for this boundary here, this 2, okay? So make it equal to 0 will give you x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3 over 2. Negative 5, sorry. X is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to 3 over 2. So therefore the area will be equal to negative 5, 3 over 2 of x plus 5 square root of 3 minus 2x dx. Now it says to use the substitution. So let's say our u is 3 minus 2x. Then the derivative of u is negative 2 dx. So dx is equal to negative 1/2 of du. So we have now an expression for this. We have an expression for this. We don't have an expression for x plus 5. So let's solve for x here. So 2x is equal to 3 minus u. So x is equal to 3 over 2 minus 1/2 u. So now we are ready to plug in. So let's not put first the boundary. What we want is x plus 5. So let us solve first the x plus 5. So 3 over 2 minus 1/2 u plus 5. So 3 over 2, this is going to be equal to 13 over 2. Isn't it? Yeah. 13 over 2 minus 1/2 u. So now let's do the substitution. So this is our x plus 5, right? So therefore the integral of 13 over 2 minus 1/2 u times u to the 1 over 2 times dx is negative 1/2 du. So let's simplify this. So this is going to be 13 over 2 u raised to 1 over 2 plus, sorry, not 13 over 2, but 13 over 4. 13 over 4. And it's negative. Negative 13 over 4 u raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 4 u raised to 3 over 2. Yes, du. Now we are ready to integrate. Wait, let's check first. Let's check first to avoid mistake. So this becomes negative 1/2 times 13 over 2 is negative 13 over 4 times u to the 1/2. Negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 is positive 1 over 4 u raised to the 3/2 du. Okay, because it's so difficult to commit mistakes in the middle. So now let's integrate. So negative 13 over 4, that is u raised to 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 u raised to 5 over 2 times what? 5 over 2 times 2 over 5. Okay? Yes, so far okay. Alright, now let's simplify first. This is going to be negative 13 over 6 u raised to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 10 u raised to 5 over 2. So 3 over 2 is common, right? I think, okay, I think we can now plug in the value. Wait, let's change the boundary. If u is equal to 3 minus 2x, no, I don't like to change the boundary now. We should have done changing the boundary a while ago. So let's just use this one. Negative 13 over 6, 3 minus 2x, raised to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 10, 3 minus 2x, raised to 5 over 2 from, what was it? Negative 5 to 3 over 2. negative 5 to 3 over 2. Take a look. Now let's substitute this 3 over 2 here. So this becomes 0. So 0 plus this one here as well, 0 minus, let's substitute the negative 5. So 3 minus 2 times negative 5 is positive 13. So this becomes negative 13 over 6 times 13 raised to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 10 times 13 raised to 5 over 2. So let us simplify this. As you can see, 13 raised to 3 over 2 is common, isn't it? Yes. So, what's the question? In this form. So let's factor out square root of 13. How can we factor out the square root of 13 from here? Okay. So please take note that 13 raised to 3 over 2 is equal to 13 raised to 1 times 13 raised to 1/2. Okay? Since we want it in that form, so let's factor the 13 to the 1/2. Okay, let's do that one. So you will have here, let's factor 13 to the 1/2. So 13 to the 1/2, this becomes negative 169 over 6 because this is 13. 13 times 13 to the 1/2 is outside. 13 times negative 13, negative 169. Plus, this is equal now to 13 to the 13 squared. So this is 13 squared. Please take a look. 13 to the 5 over 2 is the same as 13 times 13 to the 1/2, 13 to 4 over 2, or 2, or 13 squared, or 169. So this is 169 over 10. But there's a negative outside, so therefore this becomes positive and this becomes negative. Okay, so let's remove this one here. Okay, so put the bracket. Let's simplify this. The common is 30. So this is 5 times 169 minus 3 times 169 times square root of 13. So this one is 2 times 169, 30 square root of 13, 169 over 15 square root of 13. Yeah, I think this is the answer. Okay, just check the mark scheme, but I think that's the answer. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you.